My husband is making place now to plant vegetables here. Yesterday somebody come here, one labor. So now my husband is making small, what you call this, digging this soil into small. That one yesterday like this. And some also G1 garlics removed yesterday from this place. You see, this is G1 garlics. It's like onion bulb. There is no teeth or tooths. Only like this. This is G1 garlics. What you will plant here, Dar? What kind of vegetables plant here? Like this fenugreek, methi, or coriander, radish, carrots, and this gunglo or turnips also. So over there is also we plant this native garlics. Half of this place here. And also have the great our goats here. And our tiger. Very nice sunflower. Some our goats over there. So I get now this cup yali. After what time again I make chai? Atsa. Huh? Our apples. But September we have to harvest this one. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Mga mais namin. Very nice flowers. Daming mansanas. Ayan, mga kamatis. This one vegetable, Dar? Before 3 days, my husband planted this one. What is this vegetable? Turnips, gunglo. Saljum, tawag. Ayan, mga kamatis, oh. Talong. Hindi mo makita kasi ito ang taas ng kamatis, oh. Ang daming bunga. Native, yung parang cherry tomatoes ba? Yan, oh. Maliliit. Ampalaya, kamatis. Ayan, may flowers ng ampalaya. Meron dito, meron din doon, oh. Ito yung sponge gourd o kaya patola. Ayan, mga chili, yung bell pepper. Talong, may mga bunga doon, oh. Sa loob-loob, ayan, talong. Pipino, may pipino din dito. Ayan, may bunga na. Malaki na yung isa dito. Saan na ba yun? Ayun, oh. Oh. Yan, may kamatis. Ito yung magandang kamatis, oh. Hugis, yung pumpkin. Hugis kalabasa. Yan, may bunga, oh. Kukunin ko nga. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Masarap ito, eh. Yan. Marami pa doon.